Hi guys, today I'm going to show you people how to repair an broken heatsink pin or CPU fan heatsink pin. Let's take a look at this one. This is an broken tip and this is a good one. The tip got broke somehow, so we need to replace this one. To replace this one, you need to have a new one. If you don't have a new one, you can salvage it from the old CPU heatsink like I did, like this. First you need to remove this one. It doesn't just come like this. You need to position this one in the right direction, and there is a lock. You need to have a screwdrivers and just pull like this. It get easily break like this and comes out like this. Right, there is a notch. You can see this notch, right? You have to bend like little like this and pull it out. Yeah, I just pulled it out just like that. It will come easily outside now. Okay, you can see that this is the shape of this one. They match up the shape with this one. So this is an old broken one, so we don't need this one now. Let's throw this away. Now I'm going to take this new one and replace that one, replace it with that one. So here we do the same thing. We need to remove this white cap. Before you gonna do that one, don't break this time this one. Okay, last time we break this one, so if you break this one it doesn't work. So carefully remove this. Just take this one like this, bend little bit, not too much, just a little bit like this. Yeah, just like this. Now just gently push like this. Okay, it's came. Now you need to remove this cap. Just makes some bend like this and it will come. Sometimes it doesn't come, sometimes it come. You just have patience and do. Shit, it came. Yay, I didn't even break this one. Now let's put this one here. See the notch here, it will align with this one like this. Wait, it doesn't fit. Let's see, is it in the same? Yeah, both are same, they will fit. Just you need to put some pressure, that's all. Okay guys, you have to take this part first. Okay, this first part first like this and insert like this. That's nice, that's some clever engineering. Now take this one and insert here. Wait, where is that? Yeah, just take this one and insert like this. That's all guys, you got a new repaired lock with working condition. See, works just fine. Now let's go and fit it on the motherboard. Before you gonna fit, don't forget to apply thermal paste, remove the old one, apply new one and fit it. And don't also forget to clip your fan plug, otherwise you will burn your computer. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, give thumbs up. If you don't like, dislike it. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.